Alright guys, we put it back together and it wasn't as hard. It's just this part goes down and then you pull this part in and that's it. And then it's basically same thing. Now,
moment of truth.
I'm gonna put it here, guys. Fuck, dude. Can't even see that shit. Intercooler on. You guys ready? Fuck, dude, let's see. Sounds the same. Doesn't sound. That's the intercooler. It's so loud.
You disconnected it?
No,
okay, that was the test.
No, I didn't put the intercooler in right.
Alright, we're gonna test the second try. Come on.
Alright, it looks good for now. Looks good right now, dude. Oh, fuck, dude. It's better, because remember in the front screen, it took a while to load.
Mm-hmm.
It's not fucking good, dude. Alright, it's good. Oh, let's just make Black Ops.
Click the button for opening.
I didn't read Black Ops 2 at all before. What am I gonna press? Need to clean it more from the trip tomorrow. It opens now. It's not gonna fucking work. You down to go to the park tomorrow? The soccer?
Yeah.
The soccer. Oh.
That's it.
Oh, it worked. Alright, it just took 2 tries. That is fucking awesome. Alright, guys, so well, there you go. It worked. We cleaned it, and yeah, I'm fucking happy, dude. I thought I fucked up for a second. I was like, fucking take this shit apart again right now. Oh. Alright, guys, so intense, right? Intense, nigga. Alright, guys, so see? Alright.
Gonna play, so fuck you guys and see you later.
Alright, guys. Like, subscribe for more videos. If you guys want to see a video that I will make, here's all the games I have. If you guys want to see me play any of these games at all, please don't hesitate to watch me play these games. Put the camera right there.
Okay.
Can you see? Can you see the game names?
No, you can't really.
Flashlight. We got Dead Island, Halo 4, Tom Clancy, Rainbow Six, Las Vegas 2, Max Payne 3, Ghost Recon Future Soldier, Black Ops 2, which we're playing right now, Black Ops the first one, Kane Lynch Deadman. Oh, I don't have that game. Battlefield 3, Fuck You Guitar Hero,
Baseball.
Far Cry, and the bottom one is Future Soldier. Not Future Soldier. It's some other game. It's a old game that costed me like $5.
Let's play multiplayer.
Multiplayer. All right, guys. So like, subscribe, and this is till the next.
Don't blame us if your fucking Xbox
and
got fucked
I
up.
have Minecraft also.
Minecraft, best game ever.
And Total Miner.
Yep.
All right, guys. So till next time. See you later.
Fuck off.